in that burner, it's gon' burn you. If I smoke it from California, big truck lifted, I'm not on it. Smell this money, yeah, that's the aroma. Know you made it what they try to clone you. Ain't signing no dick cause they trying to own you. Ain't loaning no money, but you not a bank. Jan with y'all, man, back with another video. Got an unboxing. It's a big one. Got the Creighton, Armor Creighton 6S. Just tell y'all right now, I just got into RC, so it's crazy for me to have this car. Never thought I would. Never even thought I didn't even know what Armor was a few months ago. I thought I would get like a Traxxas Rustler or something like that. Traxxas House. All I knew was Traxxas and Banggood cars, to be honest. I didn't know about any other brands, but come to find out, Armor, in my opinion, is the best. I have a Maverick Quantum Flux XT. It's a good car too. Some weak parts on it. Got an Armor Granite. Speaking of them, I broke both of them cars in the same exact spot. On the back, on the rear wheel. Both of them. But that's a different story. I didn't even get them on camera. I just was having fun on my own and broke them. But let's unbox this. Oh yeah, parts on the way for both of them, by the way. Well, I ordered the part for the Maverick, but they got in stock, so I ain't telling when that's coming. The Granite should be back up and running soon, within a few days or so. Got another car coming too. Probably tomorrow. Y'all see it soon. Let's open this Creighton. It's crazy. This car mad expensive. So happy to have it. This is definitely one of the most expensive hobbies I've been into, for real. Fuck. It costs a lot to do this. And upgrades and parts breaking, it's really expensive. But it's fun. So I can't complain too much. Especially with COVID going on. It's been so boring, I don't even mind. Jesus, it's hard to open this box. I ordered this from tinyadventuresrc.com. Check them out. Pretty cool. Order sheet. Got my address. Can't show you that. Big ass box. Says 60 plus. Gotta get a GPS so we can test this out. I believe it though, why not? Why would it say that and it can't do it? It got a lot of new stuff on it. I don't know if y'all can see that good. News, a lot of new things. I don't know about the old one, so I can't really tell you what's the difference. Let's just look at it. Open it up and see for ourselves. Definitely gonna be bashing this pretty hard. I got a front bumper and skid plate for it already. I have to install it. The wheelie bar didn't come. Guess tomorrow or so it'll come. If I have to reinforce the body, of course. Don't want to break it. Jesus, look at this. It's pretty big. I can't believe it. Damn, it look good. Get this bag out. Jesus, it look good. See what it come with. Stickers, tools, shit like that. Pretty cool Armor stickers, I guess. Might put them on something. What's this? Information on the pinion gear, I guess. 6S. Definitely gonna be having fun with this. My first 6S car. Really becoming an Armor fanboy. Shims, I don't know nothing about the diffs, so however, I'm gonna really have to learn that, because it just looks so hard when people be opening all that up. I could do simple stuff, obviously, because I've did stuff like that already, but that, it just look hard. Changing diff fluids, I'm just not sure about that shit. Pinion gear, I don't know if I could even do this. It looks simple though, I'm pretty sure I could figure that one out. Big ass tool. The bag of black shit, I don't know what these is. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck that is. I'll figure it out. Manual, I guess, for the Creighton, the Typhon, the Notorious, and the Mojave. I almost got the Notorious, but I made that mistake with the 3S line. I got the Granite instead of the Big Rock. I'm probably gonna have to get the Big Rock anyway soon, eventually, so I could run it on 4S. I could run the Granite on 4S too, but I don't know if I want to do it to that one. Alright, look at this stuff later. Warranty information. Put this to the side. Get the remote out. Yep. I think it's the same remote that comes with the Granite. Let me see. Yep. Same exact remote. No difference. It's a pretty good remote, so I can't complain. Eventually, I'm gonna start running smart batteries. I'm gonna have to switch to the ones with the remote with the information up here. Forgot what it is, but I'm gonna get that one whenever I do that. Get this car out. I'm dropping it, it's too big. Jesus, look at this. Whoa. It's a monster for real. Forgot to have a metal chassis. I really don't like this. I wish it was plastic. People always talking about it bending. I just don't see why they would put metal instead of plastic. I seen a carbon fiber one. I might try to switch to the carbon fiber one sooner or later. Just see how it holds up. Some big ass tires, I know that. I almost made a mistake and brought some this size for the Granite. The deep boot back flips or some shit like that. Didn't realize they was this big. I don't think they vented either, so I might have to do that myself, I guess. Which is fine. I brought something for that too. Let's look under there and see what's going on. It's a nice body. I really like this blue. The red one is okay, but this one look really good. Definitely gonna have to put some shoe glue, some drywall tape. Don't want to crack this up. I really like this. Oh, Jesus. This ESC is big. I thought this would have looked like under the granite, but I was wrong. This look really good. I don't know if you can see it that good, but this it's going to be fun for sure. I've been seeing people, everybody been breaking their wing mounts, especially with the wheelie bars. So I guess before that happens, I'm gonna try to put some bigger screws or figure something out with that. I've been trying to watch videos and catch all the mistakes before they happen with everybody else, so just learn from their mistakes, I guess. Some stuff you just can't stop, I guess, but most stuff you can learn. Put the RPM bumper is in my bag. Let me see if I can find it. RPM front bumper. Guess you gotta put it together yourself, but it's in the RPM skid plate. Got the wheelie bar too, but it haven't came yet. It's coming soon. Some big ass shocks. Damn. Feel good too. Know if you can see that. A lot of travel. I need to put these shocks on the granite. I brought some, but they're not this big. They just aluminum. Like the wing on it, it's nice. IC5s again. Come with the loop already in case I want to run. Just one 6S battery. Pretty cool. Put the punch set, and I'm gonna have to change them to 5 before I run it. The center drive shafts. It's weird, I always thought it run right down the middle, but they kinda had an angle. Motor, not too big. Thought it would be bigger, that's cool though. This is just an unboxing. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to this before I run it. I'm sure I'm gonna get out and make a video running it this weekend, which is in a day or two. Yeah. I guess that's it for now. This just was an unboxing. Another one coming. Another unboxing coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I need y'all to run this channel up for me. Go ahead and subscribe. Even if you only watch one video for a few seconds, few minutes, just click subscribe. Don't care if you even watch me again, just subscribe. Like the video if you really watch it. Dislike it, whatever. It's up to you. Definitely gonna be running this a lot. Hopefully I don't break it. Well, hopefully I don't break it right away. One day I'm sure I'll break something. Whenever I do, I hope I can find the parts. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your boy, man. I got way more RC content coming, so just stay tuned.